Today's story is baseball practice. To begin, we're going to review our CVC words. Remember, CVC words are words with 3 letters. A consonant, then a vowel, then another consonant. The middle vowel will always make the short vowel sound. Let's say those sounds now. A, apple. E, egg. I, iguana. O, octopus. U, umbrella. Let's take a look at some of these CVC words that are going to be in the story. We're going to sound out these CVC words and then blend them together to say the whole word. Ready? Say the sounds. G, ought, got. Keep saying the sounds with me and blending together to make the words. Ready? Here we go. B, at, bat. G, at, get. At, hat. An, ran. Let's pull this down so we can see a little better. Ready? An, van. G, ought, got. B, egg, bag. All right, let's do a few more. Ready? Say the sounds. D, id, did. B, ad, bad. At, mat. Ab, grab. Notice mat had 2 T's at the end, and grab had 4 sounds. So those were a little bit different, but we could still say the sounds and blend them together. All right, now we are going to practice our CVC words that we need to say quickly. We're going to practice them for fluency. So I'm going to show you some words. I'm going to say them quickly and blend them. Say the sounds quickly and then blend them together. Ready? Say the sounds. Ox, ox. P, in, pin. L, egg, leg. F, ib, fib. B, am, bam. Did you say them all out loud with me? Let's keep going. Ox, fox. T, an, tan. P, al, pal. P, odd, pod. M, at, mat. Great work. Here we go. Last row. N, et, net. N, it, knit. Ugh, hug. J, ig, jig. Am, ham. Great work. So we practiced our CVC words, which we were able to sound out. Now we're going to practice some sight words. Some of these sight words we can sound out parts of, and other parts we need to memorize by heart. All right, let's take a look. This is the sight word, this. Say this. This starts with a th sound at the beginning. Th, is, this. Say is. This is the sight word is. Notice that the S at the end has a heart underneath it because the S makes a Z sound. Is. Say from. The O has a heart under it because the O makes the sound. From. From. We have to memorize that by heart. Say the. The has 2 hearts. For the TH, says th, and the E says the. Say has. Has a heart under the S because the S makes the Z sound. Has. Say that. That has a heart under the TH because the TH makes the sound. That. Say what. What has 2 hearts? WH says and the A says what. say C, C has a heart at the end because the two A's make the E sound. Now we're going to play the sight word game, Beat the Teacher. I'm going to point to a word and you're going to say it before I do. If you say it correctly before I do, you will highlight with a highlighter, marker, or crayon one time across. Alright, so get your highlighter, marker, or crayon ready and your paper ready. Here we go. Say the word. This. If you said this correctly, highlight across. If you didn't say this, or you didn't say it before I did, just leave it blank. Continue this way for the rest of the game. Say the word. Is. Say the word. From. Say the word. The. Say the word. Has. Say the word. That. Say the word. What. And say the last word. See. Count up how many you had highlighted, how many words, and write that number here where it says score. Then we'll move on to the next column. We're going to do the same thing the whole way through. All right, ready? Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. From. Say the word. The. Say the word. Has. Say the word. That. Say the word. What? And say the last word. See. Count how many you have highlighted in this column and write that score here where it says score. Write that number on the line. Did you improve from your first try to your second? Let's see if you can even improve more on your last try. Ready? Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. From. Say the word. The. Say the word. Has. Say the word. That. Say the word. What? And say the last word. See. Count up how many words here you have highlighted and write that score here, that number here. Did you improve each time that you read? Awesome work. Now you're going to be playing detective. So I'm going to put our sight words over here. And as we read our story, you're going to look for the sight words on the page. All right, this story is called Baseball Practice. On the first page, you're going to see two of these sight words. Look for them as I read. This is Matt. Matt got his bat. He will get his hat. Say the two sight words that you see on this page. Say them out loud. Did you say this and is? Awesome. All right, on this next page, there are 5 sight words. Look for them as I read. Matt got his hat. What is that? It is the van. Say the 5 sight words you found from this list on our story. Say them out loud. All right, this was tricky. Did you say what? Is, that, is, and the? Awesome job. The next page has 2 sight words. Look for them as I read. Matt can see the van. He will grab his hat and his bat. Say the two sight words that you see on this page. Did you say see and the? Great job. On the next page, we have one sight word. Look for it as I read. He ran to the van with his hat and his bat. Oh, no. Say the sight word that you saw on this page. Did you say the? The next page, we have two sight words. Matt did not grab his bag. That is bad. Say the two sight words that you found on this page. Did you say that and is? All right, the last page has four sight words. Look for them as I read. Matt ran from the van. He got the bag. He has his bat and his hat and his bag. What are the four sight words that you found? Say them now. Did you say from, the, and has? Way to go, sight word detectives. Now that you've had a chance to hear the story, we're going to read the story together. Get ready and read with me out loud. Baseball practice. Keep saying the words with me. Ready? Here we go. This is Matt. Matt got his bat. He will get his hat. Matt got his hat. What is that? It is the van. Keep saying the words out loud with me. Here we go. Matt can see the van. He will grab his hat and his bat. He ran to the van with his hat and his bat. Oh no. Matt did not grab his bag. That is bad. All right, last page, finish strong. Matt ran from the van. He got the bag. He has his bat and his hat and his bag. Awesome job reading with me. Now that we've read together, we're going to start and do a little bit of duet reading. I'll say the words in white and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say baseball and you would say practice. Let's try it out. Baseball. Continue saying all of the words in yellow as you read throughout the book. Ready? Here we go. This Matt got bat. Will his, keep saying all the words in yellow. Matt, his, what, that, is, van. In the next video, we'll continue working on baseball practice and have more time for you to finish reading the entire book in duet style. Great work today, everyone!